this is Aiden from Common Dean, and I have Luigi's Pizza for you, coming down from Mars. Bee! I was kidding. It is the city pizza. So we have two minis. We have Minnie. I just like to call her that. And Luigi. It's the maker of Luigi's Pizza. The foundation was built on this dude. Say thank you to him if you eat Luigi's Pizza. So this lady eats pizza over here. So does the man. And they both have cool looking shirts. White. Black. It's a good thing I'm eating the pizza I own.
Me too, but I don't own this pizza.
Okay, so you take this girl, took off her hair, took off her hair, put on her thingamajig, helmet, stick her on, and let's get driving. Driving around the streets of New York City. Oh! Are you okay? Yeah, I think it was my legs. Scale 1 to 10. How bad is it? I'd say it's a 7 point. Like ripped off. Okay, that was weird. So, and next we have the pizza truck. You see these walls? They're not walls. They're access to pizza. So in here, you have like a little oven in the back with a timer. You have like money over here. I don't know what that is. It's like a drink, a checkout counter. Is that mustard and ketchup? Who puts that on pizza? If you put mustard and ketchup on your pizza, I'm so sorry for saying that. And there's the pizza. It's there in the back. I just flip it over. And the menu is $3 for one pizza, $2 for a salad. That is a ripoff. The doors can open like this. This can move. The city pizza's on top. No, the city pizza's on bottom. No, there's no such thing as city pizza. Okay, so you put the man in here to drive. And when he's done, so you put the man in here to drive. And when he's done, he jumps off a rock. He uses a remote control to open this. Hops on the rock. Wee! I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I made it! Wait, this is in midair. Goodbye, everyone. Ah! So that was the... Okay, that was not over. You need to see this in action. Even though this is a Lego City set, I don't think it can be in action. But every Lego set can be in action. Ooh, just if you didn't know that. Ooh, thinking noise. Ooh. I wonder why I should give pizza. Wait, I'm still in midair. Yeah, now. Here comes a lady. Here comes a woman who would like to eat my pizza.
Hello, Luigi.
How do you know my name?
The side?
It says City Pizza, not Luigi Pizza.
Can I have a pizza?
That would be $3.
Thank you.
Can you help me?
Okay. I'm doing all the heavy lifting.
And I'm doing all the city lifting. Nice cold. Nice time to eat Luigi's Pizza. This is cold! So that was the city pizza, and I'll see you next time. Beep. Why?